welcome back to my channel tonight. I'm Jeanette with Jeanette Owens Art, and I'm glad that you've tuned in. I'm going to make a little jewelry tray tonight. I did find this mold off of Etsy. It's a small little jewelry tray that I'm going to fill with resin and some dried flowers that I've just kind of picked and choose that I've had on hand. A lot of these I did get off of Amazon. I've used them for a lot of different other projects. This is some, you know, odds and ends I have left over. And I found these handles at my local liquidation store here in town. They have new stuff that shows up every Saturday, and I found a whole box of these brass hardware handles for $5. There was 20 of them in that box for $5. What? Right? Yeah. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my mold. I think there will be probably, I think I measured out, it's going to be almost 12 ounces of resin in this mold. And then once I have my mold halfway filled up, I'm going to go ahead and put my handles in there and set them down, and then let them sit for a little bit, and then I will fill up the rest of my mold with my resin. But when they are halfway filled, I'm also going to implement my flowers in there. So So we'll let this sit up now for about 24 hours and then we'll unmold it. And I think it's going to be beautiful. The handles will be in there nice and tight. They already were this morning just from being in halfway. And then we poured another top coat over that. And I'll show you the final product. Okay, so it's been plenty of time for my tray to have cured. Oops. Okay, so let's unlid it and see how it did. Ta-da! So we can take it out of its mold. Nicely cured. I think it's turned out nice. This is my first time using this tray, and I think the handles, the little brass handles, is a nice touch. You can use this for many different things, but I think a jewelry tray is probably my thought anyway, because it's just the perfect size. Aha, very nice. Set that in here. Very pretty. The handles are in there, nice and sturdy. It's a good thickness. How cute, right? I think I'll take it upstairs so we can get it in some natural light and you can get a better idea of how it looks without all this mess underneath. So here it is in a little bit better lighting. This is what it looks like from the other side. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Y'all take care.